Welcome to this mystical lesson from Neville Goddard's Your Faith is Your Fortune. Today, we open with Chapter 1, Before Abraham Was, a timeless meditation on identity, being, and creation. This is not about history, it's about who you truly are. At the foundation of all reality, beneath every role, every story, every name, there exists a presence, unshaped, untouched. It is pure awareness, simply being. Before time began, before the first thought was formed, this awareness already was. It is not bound by past or future. It simply declares, I am. This is the source of creation, not a figure in the sky, not a memory in scripture. It is your own formless being. It is the infinite self that imagines, and by imagining, becomes. Creation begins the moment this awareness conceives of itself as something. By imagining, it gives form to the formless. By assuming identity, it births experience. Everything comes from this one process. First comes the awareness of being. Then comes the choice to identify as a person, a condition, a feeling. And from that identity, the world unfolds. This is how all things are made. And without this process, nothing could be made. You are not your past. You are not your name. You are the awareness behind it all. The silent, observing self that can choose a new idea, a new identity, a new world. This self is eternal. It existed before your body, before history, before even the idea of time, and it will remain unchanging when time dissolves. This is what Neville means when he says, before Abraham was, I am. The outer world may change, conditions come and go, but the I am remains, always present, always creating. And this is your power. By the law of your own being, you are compelled to become whatever you truly believe yourself to be. This awareness, this I am, is not a void. It's not empty. It's alive with infinite potential. It holds within itself the power to be anything, and it expresses only what it imagines itself to be. You are not subject to a separate law. You are the law. There is no outside force. There is only this awareness and what it believes itself to be. Whatever you imagine, you become. And just as you dwell within each identity you take on, you also have the power to transcend it. You evolve by becoming greater versions of yourself, not by effort, but by belief. You do not change by fixing what is. You change by assuming something new, by daring to feel that you already are what you wish to be. This is the law of your being, and beside it, there is no other. So claim it, live from it, not with force, but with quiet knowing, I am. You are not a product of your past. You are the eternal awareness behind all becoming. Return to this truth as often as needed. You are the one who declares, and what you declare, you become. If this message moved you, save it, share it, and revisit it when you need to remember who you truly are. Until next time, rest in your awareness. Imagine boldly, live consciously,